Welcome back to AS Structures. In this video, I'll show you how to use the program to design trusses and purlins in collaboration with STAAD Pro. First, open and log in to the AS Structures program. Once logged in, navigate to the main menu and select the Steel tab. This tab contains powerful tools including the STAAD load combination generator, wind load, and truss load calculators, a design interpreter from STAAD, and the Purlin design module. Let's begin by exploring the truss layout. Next, open STAAD Pro and generate the model by defining the geometry, assigning member properties, selecting the material and specifications, and finally, applying the supports. Back in AS Structures, the program features automatic wind load calculations. It also includes integrated reference figures from NSCP 2015 to help you quickly navigate design specifications and parameters. The program also provides load calculation tools tailored for STAAD load definitions. This makes it convenient to generate accurate load values and seamlessly transfer them into your STAAD Pro model, saving time and ensuring consistency. Back in the STAAD model, define all load cases such as dead load, roof, live load, and wind load. Next, proceed to define the load combinations, as Structures offers a feature that streamlines the generation of these load combinations, making the process faster and more efficient. It also allows you to easily copy and highlight each load combination, helping you stay organized and ensuring you don't lose track of which combination you're working on. This makes reviewing and modifying your load scenarios much smoother and more accurate. Now, let's move on to defining the loads on the truss. With the built-in load calculation feature, it becomes easier to navigate and accurately apply loads on the truss, such as super dead loads on top and bottom chords, and roof live loads. Additionally, the wind load calculation feature simplifies the process of inserting loads for zones 1, 2, 3, and overhangs. The program automatically performs interpolations based on your project's location, wind speeds, and building dimensions, ensuring precise and reliable load values. This not only saves time, but also enhances accuracy and confidence in your structural design process. After that, we can now proceed to apply these loads on the truss model. Next, we apply all the parameters in the Analysis and Design tab. Finally, we can rerun the analysis to verify the results and use AS Structures to interpret its result. Now, let's begin injecting the data for interpretation. Start by going to the Geometry section. Select all the nodes, then copy them using Ctrl+C and transfer the data into AS Structures. After that, do the same for the beams. Select all the beam elements from the Geometry tab, copy, and bring them into the program. Next, move to the Support section, highlight all node supports, and send that data into AS Structures. Finally, in the Post-Processing tab of STAAD, go to the Design Result table. Select the entire table and inject that into the program. Once all the necessary data has been loaded, AS Structures will automatically process it and highlight which members meet the design requirements and which ones fail, giving you a clear and immediate overview of your truss performance. AS Structures has the ability to project the same geometric model from STAAD, making it easier to visualize and interpret the structural layout within the program. This ensures consistency between analysis and design while improving workflow efficiency. Now, let's move on to the design of purlins. First, select the trial section for the purlins and input all necessary parameters. Next, enter the load calculations to reflect actual roof conditions. The program will then compute an interaction value to determine if the selected section is safe or not. AS Structures also gives you the flexibility to choose the design method, whether using sag rods at midspan or with middle third support, depending on your structural preference. You can now view the detailed design report or export it directly to PDF for documentation and submission. Thank you for watching AS Structures, your reliable partner in structural analysis and design.